Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily fix friend list glitch in Fortnite. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Epic Games in your laptop or PC, and you have the latest version or otherwise update it and try again if your issue is fixed or not. Now you're still facing the issue, so just right click on the taskbar and just go to task manager. And once you're inside the task manager, you just need to make sure that you close the Epic Game Launcher, like all the background activities, and if there is any background process inside this section related to the Epic Games, make sure to close that, search for that and close that one as well, and relaunch your Epic Games launcher and try after that if your issue is fixed or not. Hopefully your issue will be fixed. Otherwise, if you're still facing the issue, so let it relaunch, and from this section just click on your profile from the right side and just click on sign out. And once you click on sign out, so it will be logged out, or you can say it will be signed out with your account. Now from this section, make sure to log in with your email and try again if your issue is fixed or not. So these are some simple steps which you can try, and hopefully after that your issue will be fixed.